My name is Michael. I'm with Lumens. What I'm going to do for you today is show you what you get when you buy a Lumens PTZ camera. What's in the box? So I'm going to start by cutting this box open. And this is something that you're going to get with any PTZ camera that we sell. So the camera will have your quick start guide. There is your power supply for the camera, the power cord for the camera. You have your screws for a mounting plate that I'll show you in a minute, and your RS422 Phoenix adapter, that little block. There is also a remote control with a set of batteries that comes with it. So those are the included accessories. When we go a little deeper into the package, you get your mounting plate. And this mounting plate is a two-piece plate. One of the pieces goes onto the ceiling. It's for inverting the camera. The other plate goes on the bottom of the camera, and that lets you mount that camera upside down. One thing I'm always impressed with all of the Lumens products is how well these cameras are packaged. So there's nice protection here. And then the camera is wrapped really well in plastic. So that's what you get in the box whenever you order a PTZ camera with Lumens.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos.